Which 3D printer is actually good for printing miniatures? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the best options. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 that can really make your miniatures pop. Product number 1, FlashForge Adventurer 5M. Let's kick things off with the FlashForge Adventurer 5M. This printer caught my eye with its fully automatic leveling and impressive speed, priced at $249. If you want a hassle-free 3D printing experience, this one is worth a serious look. Now, what makes the Adventurer 5M stand out? Its one-click automatic printing means you won't have to fuss over bed leveling or manual adjustments. This is a big deal if you're tired of spending time on setup and want to dive straight into printing. The 600 ms high-speed printing is excellent for rapid projects, delivering consistent quality with a print size of 220x220x220. Here's why this matters. The Core XY structure allows for fast printing without sacrificing detail. For miniatures, this means you can achieve intricate designs without waiting forever. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get past that, it runs like a dream. For most users, this won't be a deal breaker, especially since it simplifies the printing process. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-use printer for miniatures. Skip this one if you prefer complete manual control in your printing process. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the Adventurer 5M setup bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. Next up is the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro, priced at $379. It's a step up and offers even more creative potential. If you want to print intricate miniatures quickly, this is definitely worth considering. So what's special about the Pro version? It has a max travel speed of 600 ms and a nozzle that heats up to 200 degrees C in just 35 seconds. The pressure sensing for automatic bed leveling ensures your first layers are perfect every time, which is crucial for those detailed miniature prints. Here's why this matters for you. The multiple nozzle sizes let you choose between speed and detail, allowing you to achieve impeccable results depending on your project needs. And with over 951 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate this performance. However, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy during operation. I'll be real with you, if you're sensitive to sound, this might be a concern, but for many, the performance outweighs the noise. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient and user-friendly experience for printing miniatures. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's a solid investment for the features provided. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little more flexibility. Product number 3, Creality K2 SE. Coming in at $249 is the Creality K2 SE. It caught my attention with its solid metal build and high-speed printing capabilities. If you're looking for something that combines durability and speed, this printer deserves a look. What sets the K2 SE apart? It features a high-speed printing capability of 500 ms and utilizes a lightweight Core XY motion system. The direct drive extruder is a big plus, allowing for accurate filament control, which is essential for those tiny parts in miniatures. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The solid metal build ensures stability, which minimizes flex during printing. This translates into higher precision, especially important for detailed miniatures. With a rating of 4 stars and over 1,700 reviews, it's gaining a solid reputation. If you're not handy, this might be a hurdle. But honestly, once set up, it performs exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable printer that can produce high-quality results. Skip this one if you're looking for something out of the box without any assembly. For $249, it offers great value. Now, if the assembly part didn't sit well with you, the next product offers a more streamlined experience. Product number 4, FlashForge AD5X. Next is the FlashForge AD5X, priced at $349. This one really caught my eye with its vibrant multicolor printing capabilities. If you want to bring your miniatures to life with colors, this is the printer for you. What makes the AD5X stand out? It supports up to 4 colors simultaneously, allowing you to create vivid, detailed miniatures without the hassle of manual painting. The one-click auto leveling feature means you can expect smooth, uninterrupted prints. which is perfect if you want to focus on your designs rather than the setup. Why does this matter? The ultra-fast printing speed of 600 ms ensures that you're not stuck waiting for your prints to finish. Pairing this with exceptional print quality from its dual-channel cooling fan and advanced vibration compensation makes it ideal for any miniature enthusiast. However, some users noted that while it prints fast, it can sometimes struggle with more intricate designs. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly printing miniatures, it still performs admirably. This is perfect for you if you want a colorful, efficient printing experience. Skip this if you need something specifically for high detail work. For what you're getting, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a vibrant option. But the last one on our list offers a unique twist. Product number 5, LOOCTOT 30G Plastic Glue. Finally, let's talk about the LOOCTOT 30G Plastic Glue, which is priced at just $7.99. This isn't a printer, but it's essential for finishing your miniatures. If you're looking for a reliable adhesive for your 3D printed projects, this is definitely worth a look. So what's special about LOOCTOT glue? This is crucial when you're assembling pieces of miniatures, allowing you to quickly see your designs come together. Plus, it's waterproof once fully cured, ensuring your creations last. Here's why this matters. The anti-clogging cap means you won't waste product, and the high-strength bond provides 30% more adhesion compared to standard super glues. For miniature assemblies, this level of precision and reliability can save you a lot of headaches. However, some users mention that it can be tricky to apply in tight spaces. Honestly, if you're careful, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you want a strong adhesive that works well with plastics. Skip this if you need something for larger projects. At this price, it's practically a steal. Now let's wrap up what we've covered today. To wrap things up, we've explored some fantastic options for 3D printers aimed at miniatures, including the FlashForge Adventurer 5M, Adventurer 5M Pro, Creality K2 SC, FlashForge AD5X, and the LOOCTOT glue. Each has its strengths, depending on whether you prioritize speed, detail, or even color. Choose the one that best suits your needs, and happy printing.